Hi, I'm Mia Coleman. I go to North Hartford High School. I'm a senior and I'm part of the Maryland Youth Apprenticeship Program. I work at La Bella Pet Boutique in Aberdeen, Maryland, where I groom dogs every Tuesday and Thursday. I had always thought that the apprenticeship program would just be working part-time and going to school the other half, but it really taught me valuable life skills like time management, deadlines, a lot of people skills. Like before I was in the apprenticeship program, I could not talk on the phone to save my life. And now I am essentially a pro at it. While these are really great benefits of the apprenticeship program, I wouldn't have been able to experience it if I hadn't been so dedicated in my schoolwork and being here nearly every day. And a lot of my classmates don't have the opportunity to do the apprenticeship program because of grades or attendance, and it just really shows how valuable both of those things are so that it opens up more opportunities for you. So having good attendance and along with good grades helped me to stand out so that I would get the choice to be part of the apprenticeship program, be a part of dual enrollment, access a parking pass, also that I can be half-time at school, but then on the other days go to my job so that I can balance everything the way that I needed to.